Yes, Amar. Thank you so much. I think I'm the only one non-cyber IT background on this call, but seriously, you broke it down really well and you covered all the basic points. I made so much notes, and I know I got so much to learn. Like I'm new into this, so you made it really interesting to me. So I'm gonna, get all my research and study, like focus more on cybersecurity. Thank you so much. Like you explained everything, like key uh, basic things. Even for my company, tomorrow when I go back to work, I'll do some basic checks on the emails, or how the phishing and here and there. A few things I will do that. Thank you so much, Amar.